What's going on, guys? I hope the audio doesn't cut out, but I'm at Gary's house. It's first thing in the morning and it's hot. So I'm just gonna go inside. And it's locked. So I gotta knock. I can hear him screaming, "Leatherman!"
Sorry.
It's alright. Thank you.
You're welcome. Breakfast.
Oh, wow. Thank you. It's hot outside. Yeah. I'm carrying like a freaking 30-pound bag because I'm going to Josh's house for a few days.
Because you said it'd come back!
Oh my god, you guys are
You
screaming.
said if I suck it, bitch. You said if I came back, that if I killed it, it'd come back!
What
You
the?
faggot!
Faggot?
You can't! You faggot!
So once it's gone, it's gone.
What? What's so amazing about that voice?
Just sounds funny.
Oh.
I love it.
Well, you sound funny.
So what?
Oh!
Yeah?
Take your medicine and stop.
I already took my medicine, meanie face.
Ooh!
This looks
Get
yummy.
away.
This looks, yummalicious. What is it called? Scrumptiddlyumptious?
I'll take those if it's on the floor.
Scrumptiddlyumptious.
There you go. If you want something to drink, guys, you just have to find whatever you can find.
Okay, thank you very much.
I forgot the orange juice.
Walk! I wanna...
No, there's no mats allowed in here.
Alright, watch me. The door may break, but okay. No, can't put that on.
Like your ebony sword.
Hey, wait, his what? Wait, his what?
Skyrim reference you went for that.
Oh, Skyrim. I hate Skyrim. No, I'm kidding. I
What's
love
wrong with you?
I'm kidding. Dude, it looks fun. I want to get it for my
Not
Xbox.
me.
I feel tall. What about you, Austin?
I am tall.
I feel tall now.
I got a millimeter chicken!
That's true, Gary. That's true. You do have a millimeter, Peter.
Except me.
Yeah, and Matt.
Yeah.
And
No.
Grandpa.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
You're easy, but you're not cheap, right here.
Exactly, Grandpa.
So that's what the people are going to think of, Gary. They're going to be like, why is you little...
Hey. Hi.
How did I do that voice so good?
Hi.
Hi.
My name is Becky, you fucking slut.
Becky.
Yeah. Did you hear about Cindy? Like, she was being a fucking that freaking Yeah.
Dude, there's nobody here, literally. He's about to scream in the bathroom really loud so everybody can hear it.
No, why don't we do it on exactly the same time? We'll do like 1, 2, and then 3, and then we yell.
Alright, let's do it. Do it, Austin.
Wait. Ready?
I'm keeping the door open.
Ready?
Dude. Alright, I gotta take a piss.
Why did you hold the door open?
So people can hear it.
The windows are open.
Ooh, alright. It's very windy out, as you can see. Oh shit. But I'm just waiting for the water to open up because I want to jump in it. Yo, you should give us a ride. Fuck you. They ignored us. I think Austin slipped.
The log fucking moved from under me. That would have hurt so
Yeah.
bad.
Get out of my goddamn way. Fuck you.
Yeah, Gary, don't let him do that. He's being a dick.
Me?
Yeah, you.
What did I do?
Trying to freaking base me again.
Oh.
Gary's grandpapa.
Do it, Gary. Do it. Is that poop?
Do what?
Scream. Is that poop? Do it. Scream it towards the beach. Is that poop?
That was loud.
Oh man, people are looking at us.
We're gonna
Fuck
get
me.
kicked out.
Fuck me.
anything.
Is that
I'll just say that
poop?
wasn't me. It was him over there.
So Austin's been having muscle spasms lately. What the fuck? Are you alright, man? Dude! This tastes weird.
It's like cum, doesn't it?
Gary, no, you should just keep wearing it. Keep wearing it like that. Wear it like that. Keep
That's perfect.
Dude, there's a string keeping this. He's gonna be dragging it.
It's my kite. It's my kite.
Dude, he doesn't even have a shirt anymore. Gary's awesome.
He's keep going.
He's still going. He's coming back. Dude, people are watching him. That's embarrassing. I don't get how you broke him.
By raping. Whatever.
Bad luck, dude. I'm used to it. Dude, I've stepped on my prescription
Gary,
glasses many times.
Right
And
here.
the frame on those is even cheaper than
They're
on
hairy.
sunglasses.
So hairy.
Just like your face.
Yeah.
Be a hairy face.
I know.
Look at him. He put it on his socks. Oh. After he wiped his foot with Gary's shirt.
Oh, quit recording, you
I'm
bitch.
recording Matthew.
Fuck you.
Okay, he's gonna take Jesus.
Give me-
chestnuts.
Triscuits. Give me that.
Kiwi.
I'm not including this.
And he gotta get you a wheelchair. So adorable.
Give me my.
So cute. Butt quack. Hi.
Give me back.
Say hi to your family.
Hi, give me it back.
What do you call your subscribers? Everybody's got their special name.
I'm
The Juggy
Canadian.
Nuggets is Juggies, Phase Blues, or Blueberries.
Matt.
Booze! Hey, what's
No.
up, Booze?
No, that's my nickname, you fuck.
I don't know. What should I say then?
You should say
Care Bears.
Hammies. Hammies.
Shut up. Shut up. Give me my camera. Shut up.
No, not until you find a name for your subscribers.
If you want to do booze, you can.
Leave in
Yeah,
the
my
comments what you want your guys' names to be.
Thank you. Not giving my camera back, you dick.
I think you should call them, like, Morticians.
Okay, that's a fine name. Give me my phone.
No, it's not going to be the name.
What do you think should be the name?
I think the name should be Hammies.
Dude, I can't include that much footage into the vlog. I'm sorry.
Hammies?
Give me it back.
Yeah, let's see.
There's a sandal over there. I think it's
Mine. Wait a minute. I could have hit some. I would have gone
Awesome.
just gonna circle you like a vulture.
Fuck you. Grandpa's here. Well, his car is. It's probably not even his car, though. That's the thing.
No, it's him.
Dude, this bag I'm carrying is too heavy.
You want me to carry it?
So,
Can you turn the
Gary.
music on?
So, Gary, what happened to your shirt?
Yeah, where is your shirt, Gary? Oh, the
Yo, anyhow, my socks got kind of messed up, so I don't have them on.
Yeah.
Trying to
Good thing
avoid
it was
the
an old
shirt.
shitty t-shirt.
Guys, lay down like we're all Mexicans. Hide. There's freaking like cops or whatever.
And what if E-frame's here? Oh, sorry. Grandpa, I'm sorry. Grandpa, look it, I'm sorry. I became emo.
E-frame works under the table. He doesn't work.
You need underwear?
Wait, Austin, wear them like you just did. Wear them like your grandfather did. You said you would.
Such a dumb. I'm gonna punch you. You just hissed at that cat. You did that noise.
No, it is so mean.
He hates it. That cat hates it.
Oh.
He's gonna fit.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
These are small.
Dude, I dare to wear them over your shorts. Dude, will you do
They're
it?
Gary's shorts.
Let me wear them over.
You asked him for a pair.
Hell no. Man, look at the storm clouds. Thanks, Austin. Oh shit. Well, I made a big mistake.
You want me to walk it over there for you?
No, I got it.
Oh, trying to vlog him.
Yeah, I can't do it. Bye! Oh shit. I done goof.
Oh.
I done goof. Oh shit. Hey yo, what up, man? Oh, yo, you even got a table up here too. Now you do. When's Anthony get back?
I don't know. He's
Gotta move some shit. So I brought Cheez-Its and goddamn Chex Mix. It's very dark. Holy shit, it's storming out actually. Dude, no joke. I don't think we've gotten any storms this summer at all. We've gotten like rain, but not freaking storms. This is hardly even a storm. It's just rain. But we need it because the water level in the creek near Josh's house is like extremely low. Dude, holy shit, it's humid as hell out here. Bruh, we're riding bikes. Oh, fuck me. My bike's wet. No, we can ride bikes, it's fine. Oh, you know what? Yo, do you have any tools? You stole the fucking cart from Tops? Oh, shit.
I didn't steal it. Let's bring it back. It's borrowing.
You're borrowing it?
I can't carry all this shit.
Obviously not.
Anthony, hook it
Dude,
up.
you got the fucking hookup, man.
Yeah, let's go, boy. Fuck yeah.
Holy hell.
Get your paycheck now.
Fuck, man. I wish. Damn, man. Look at all that food. It's more food than my parents bring back in like a week. Let's go, guys. These clouds are still like amazingly crazy, though. Here, let's help Anthony bring food in. Bro. 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 Oh my god. Oh, fuck. Whew, it's flooded. Watch. See? Rapids. The currents are like crazy, though. But I got my waterproof case on it. The audio sounds different. I'm sorry. But, ooh. Trimming my beard soon. My back's itchy. Let's go. I'm getting out, actually. I'm actually just gonna get out right here. I'm done. You ass! sorry about the big delay in film. It's dark out, as you see. Damn. But that's it for today. I'm cutting the video kind of short, if you don't notice. But that's it for today. I'm going to be making a Q&A video, so submit your questions, and that'll be it. Bye.